Hello everyone, Scott Bloom here, and I am going to show you how to make a description for your objects. Kind of like a tooltip, but not really a tooltip, just some stuff, description stuff. Pretty easy, actually. I found this on the official Unity channel, so yeah, okay, so what it was an event trigger, and I got two here, one for when the mouse cursor enters the object, and one for when it exits the object. So let's get started on the code here. Okay, so we're going to need the Unity Engine UI for our text box, which is this guy right here. This will be our text box for our game descriptions. And we got our two options here. So what we're going to do, let's go back to the code, and what we're going to do is we're going to have our text box. We're going to call it description text. And we're going to create a string, and the string is going to be our default description. So default description, you could call it whatever you want. And for the start, we're going to do description text equals get component of type text, and for the default description, we're going to set it to the description text dot text. And the default description, as you noticed, was select game type. So when we load the game, it will read this text, and it will put it into our default description string. Okay, we don't need update. We can get rid of update. We're going to need to make a couple of public voids, or public void game description, and we're going to have it take in a string. We're going to call it description. Okay. So for what we're going to want to do here is we're going to have the description text equals description, and this will be the code that we'll use when we hover over the object. And public void default description. Won't take anything because description text will equal the default description. And okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go back into Unity. Okay, so no, alright, we're good there. Alright, let's go to our game objects. Both of these, okay, so we can't do two of those at the same time. So, runtime only, and the game object will be our description box, and the function will be in description and game description. And then you can put whatever text you want in here. And on exit, do the same thing, description box, except for this description we will go to default description. And I am going to copy this component and paste the values into here, and just change this one. Alright, so let's save this. Click play. Alright, so the default is select game type. Let's hover. Guess the AI's number. Exit that. It goes right back to the default. And that's it. That's all you need to do to make a basic tooltip function. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.